Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS colors, and right now we'll be discussing about shades of gray colors in CSS X color value. Shades of gray color are often defined using equal values for all the three light sources. So let me show you how this works quickly. Back to our document. We are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the X color values, and now this is the X color value we use. Now to have shades of gray, let's say for instance we need shades of gray. Definitely all our value must be the same. Like if you have to specify 25, if you have to specify 2, it's 22. Definitely the red also RGB, the red is 2 right here, right? Now then the green will be 22, the blue also will be 22. Then we are having color gray. Can you see the background change to gray? Don't you forget the hashtag whenever you are writing your x numbers. So let's say for instance we remove this hashtag now. Let's save our document and see what will happen. Can you see nothing there? We don't see the color again, but when we bring it back, you save your document and reload. Can you see it's back? So anything you are trying to, let's increase the opacity of this gray color. Let's increase it to 777777. It's going to be lighter than the one we have before. Can you see it's lighter? So that is the benefit of using the shades of gray. And let's say for instance I want to bring it high very well, you can give it DD. So everything must be the same. Everything must, the red, can you see it's lighter than before? So that's the benefit of using it. So I want you to try this every time, because practice makes perfect. If you don't practice it, nobody can do that for you. And also let's say you want to use let's say you want to use f you want to use 5f, you must use 5f in the rest also. You understand? So everything must be 5f 5f 5f. You understand? Just to have your shades of gray. So that is the benefit of using shades of gray. In our next tutorial, I'm still going to discuss about one advanced feature also that you have to know about it. Anwar Akorede, ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you.